How to get Poshmark referral codes for credits. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can get your referral link to earn credits on Poshmark. So the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to poshmark.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, there are quite a few ways you can earn credit. So the first thing you can do is go to a new tab and just search for Poshmark credits. And then you could also find these kind of credits on Reddit. So just search for Reddit here. And you can find different posts here giving out the Poshmark credits. Or you could just go ahead and search for a referral code like so. And in order to get your Poshmark referral code, you can just click on this page right here. And you should be able to see some referral codes on the site itself, but to get yours, you can tap on the profile icon at the top right, and then scroll down here until you see this option, invite friends, earn cash. Click on it. Now, your referral code will usually be your username, so you can just copy this code and refer to unlimited friends. They will receive a $10 upon joining with the code, and you'll get a $10 after the first order is delivered. So that's how you basically get your referral code on Poshmark, and this way you can earn credits and money like this. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.